Welcome! Today we're going to connect your Brother MFC-L3770CDW to a Chromebook computer on a wireless network. This video may cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. You will need to gather some information about your wireless network in order to connect your machine. You'll need to know the SSID or network name of your router or access point. And you'll need to know your network key or password. The default settings for your router or access point can be found on the equipment label. If your SSID or network key contain both uppercase and lowercase letters, be sure to record them, as both of these credentials are case sensitive. If you've set up a custom SSID and network password and cannot recall this information, please contact your router manufacturer. Setup cannot be accomplished without this information. If your model has time and date settings, you'll need to ensure that they're set correctly. After the connection process is finished, you'll need to set up Google Cloud Print on your Brother device. You will need to have a Google account ready to complete this process. Begin by pressing the Wi-Fi icon on the touchscreen. Select Setup Wizard from the option list. When WLAN Enable appears on the LCD window, press Yes. Select your SSID or network name from the list. Please note that if your network is set to hide the network name, you will have to manually add that network name. And press OK. Enter your network key using the touchscreen. Confirm that your network key is correct, and press OK. Once the wireless connection is made, press OK. Open the Google Chrome browser on your computer and click the menu icon. Choose Settings. If you have not already signed into Google Chrome with your Google account information, click the Sign into Chrome button. Now enter your Google email address and password when prompted. Then click Next. From the Settings menu, click on the Show Advanced Settings option. Scroll down to the Google Cloud Print heading and click the Manage button. Under the New Devices heading, there will be a list of printers on your network that are not currently connected to Google Cloud Print. Select the model you wish to connect and click Register. Click Register again to confirm your registration. If prompted by your Brother machine to confirm the registration, press OK. Your newly registered Google Cloud Print printer will now display under the My Devices heading. Your Brother machine is now ready for cloud printing. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.